Check out the full plywood veneer peeling process. Featuring an integrated barking pass crushing design, feed logs directly for impurity removal with zero waste recycling, as thorough barking leaves no residue and uniform crushed particles are reusable, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Followed by high-precision peeling, machine delivering smooth, consistent thickness veneers, it achieves a one-stop log-to-base material workflow, while the automated line saves labor and boosts productivity for mass production, serving as essential equipment for high-strength plywood, and offering an integrated solution to help woodworking enterprises cut costs and improve efficiency.